Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews Moose. I got a really exciting unboxing to do today. I was born in the 70s, okay? In the early 80s, mid 80s, all the way up to the late 80s, whole 80s. I used to listen to a ton of hip hop. And at that time I called it hip hop. I didn't call it rap because those guys back then they were educated and they actually rhymed for a reason. You know, we had KRS-One. You got Ace bothering me already. But we had KRS-One, spitting knowledge. You had who I think's the best MC of all time, Rakim. You had Eric B. and Rakim. You had Run DMC. You had, I'm trying to just think of some of the other ones from big time New York. Big Daddy Kane. I was just such a hip hop fan, and I wish I could go back and just live, especially Eric B. as president. You know, that follow the leader out. They're just that was my favorite. Eric B. and Rakim were my favorite. And like I said, you had Boogie Down Productions, KRS-One, rest in peace, Scott LaRock. You know, it was, and then Self Destruction with all of them together. Miss Melody, KRS-One, Big Daddy Kane. I'm trying to think who's all in there. Run DMC, was Dougie Fresh. I mean, it was just so much fun back then. And then the movies, Breakin' 2, Electric Boogaloo, and you had there were just so many great, just a great era of hip hop, and that's my favorite era. 80s was the best. 90s was up there when you had DMX, Tupac, and Biggie, and all those guys come out. But with that being said, I just had to go back, and if you remember, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it here. Slick Rick. And first of all, LL Cool J, bad video. Give me that walkie-talkie. We're in the Kangol. So that's what's in the box. I got a Kangol. It's not like the one that LL Cool J wore, but it's one that like you would see Slick Rick wear a little bit. You would see Run from Run DMC. Other than the bucket hat, he'd wear the Kangol a little bit. And you know me, I had to get the bright color. And so I ended up getting a 504 wool Kangol. And I'm just so excited. And of course, I got the bright colors. And this is it. It just, Slick Rick. I went out the door. You know, it was just, because I forgot my Kangol. In the dally, I ran through the alley. But yeah, man, it's actually 100% wool too. And here it is, the Kangol, the wool 504. Get this out of the way. As you can see, I'm kind of giddy for this because I can't wait to try this on. But yeah, got the Kangol on the back. All wool, 100% wool. Let me read this tag here real quick. 504 Kangol description. This is the Peony Pink Kangol. Nice little tag there. Let's go ahead and read this part. Since 1938, we have been crafting headwear with an eye on quality and style. Kangol, Kangol.com. 100% wool. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, show a close-up. Here's a close-up of the Peony Pink Kangol cap. Of course, you got the Kangol on the back. This is a size large. I cannot wait to try this on. I am like so excited. Lottie-dottie. Lottie-dottie. Yeah, if you guys know all the words to that, you guys are right in my era. Because lottie-dottie, we like to party. Yeah, we don't cause trouble. We don't bother nobody. All right, let's go ahead and try it on now. Let's do it. In the honor of Slick Rick, let's see if this white boy can pull this off. Let's cuss that brim a little bit. I'm so excited. And of course, I had to get something loud, as you guys know. There it is. I'm just missing my gold rope and gold tooth. Then get a file for my fingernails. Lottie Dottie. Dougie Fresh and Slick Rick. 40 years later. Hell, it's probably more than how many years? What year are we in? It is 40 years later. Holy cow. Wow. I love it. I love it a lot. This is just so much homage and so much youth that brings back so many memories for this cap. If you're a 70s, 80s rap guy or hip hop guy, let me know what your favorite group was back then. I mean, there's so many of them. And like I said, that was when those, I mean, they would rap rhyme for a reason. They actually had a message, you know, Grandmaster Flash, you know, the message that wouldn't be able to be played on the record anymore with the, you know, the bag lady. Yeah. So using the F word, but yeah, here it is. This is the Wool 504 by Kangol. And again, I'm so excited. I got another one coming. I can't wait to get that. It's supposed to be in the mail today as well. I don't know why it was shipped separately. I don't know if it came from different manufacturers, different shipments. Some of those guys didn't wear it like this. They wore it backwards. And Kangols are like majority of the people that wear these do wear them backwards. I just want to put that on there. And there it is with the backwards look. I'm just super stoked. How about that? Like I said, I'm just missing some things here to make it look like I'm a hip-hop guy from the 80s. Obviously, 40 years ago, I was 40 years younger. And, man, great times. All right, let's continue the review. But I'll do that one as well as soon as I get it. But, yeah, this is it. Reviews Moose here. Let me know what your favorite hip-hop moment was of the 80s, who your favorite group, who your favorite individual rapper was. Cool Mo D and LL, you know, beefing. Oh, that was just a time to be alive. All right, Reviews Moose, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.